Wow, so we're finally hanging out. We're about to eat a ton of tacos. We have 16 chicken tacos, and we're each going to do 8.
Same.
With some sparkling water. This looks so good. Your little tummy is so cute.
No, I like yours. Oh,
thanks.
cold. Sorry.
Oh, it's okay. I'm not like a cold hands, like, freak out kind of person. This is so good.
This is really good.
Yeah, it's so refreshing. I'm just gonna dig in. I like the salsa verde a lot.
Is it spicy?
It's not super spicy. It has a little bit of a kick to it, but it's like, I'm weak, so I would tell you. And lime. I'm just gonna eat these like as fast as I can.
You'll probably beat me.
I got it.
Oh. Those are really good.
That's so good. I'm about to get really quiet because my mouth is going to be so full. Luckily my shirt is already pulled up, so it doesn't have to like start riding up on me.
This is already a tight shirt on me, so it's probably going to get really tight.
Oh, looks so cute. Yeah, it looks tight.
You lied to me, it is a little spicy.
I like how it rides up your hips a little bit.
Oh my god, I love it.
It's so cute. I said tiny bit spicy, I'm sorry. My spicy senses might be a little different. My spicy senses are tingling.
Oh my god, you are gonna beat me.
If I beat you, I can rub your tummy while you finish.
That's a deal. Okay.
It feels so good.
You have 2 left in there?
Yeah.
God.
I'll slow down though. It's so fizzy. It's so good. This is the most tacos I've ever ordered for me. My belly is getting so soft.
Is yours bigger than mine?
I can't tell.
I can't tell either.
It looks about the same.
I feel like
Yours
I'm a
is so
little
soft.
narrower.
Mm-hmm.
You're a lot tanner.
Yeah, I don't know if mine like hangs as much. I want it to though.
I love that hangs.
It's so cute. And mine almost does, but that's like my favorite thing.
I know, mine too.
Oh my god, it's so cute. it's so squishy. Like
Our tattoos are gonna look so weird when we
I
get
know, and then
bigger.
all
Yeah.
stretched out. Yeah, that's like my favorite thing. My moon, like, it like expands. Like,
My husband said my diamond's gonna become a circle.
oh, that is so cute. I want to like get my moon filled in the rest of the way.
Yeah. I mean, it doesn't look bad now. But I
Really?
like the shading.
Oh, thanks. My friend who does tattoos did it for me in my house.
Nice. Yeah, I used when I was 17, I used my fake ID to get this one.
Nice. It's a great tattoo.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. It's so good.
Mm-hmm.
After this, I only have 3 left.
Oh my god.
You got 5 in your box, too?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Bathing is so fun.
Mm-hmm.
Just like feels so cute all the time.
I like the chandeliers ones.
Yeah, I was thinking
Especially
of
when
getting
you go over
another
the
one.
round belly.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
I was thinking of getting a second piercing underneath.
Ooh, that'd be cool.
Mm-hmm. I have a little belly chain that goes around and like it touches my button.
Oh, nice.
It's so cute.
That's awesome.
I
Does
guess
it
really
even
tight.
fit around you anyway?
It'll be fun to see, yeah. I haven't tried it on since I've been bigger. Mm. 4 tacos.
Yeah, I've done 4.
Mm.
Almost.
Mm-hmm.
I thought I could eat 8, but I don't know.
I have to hurry so I can keep up with you. And keep ahead of you. Mm. I love how squishy it is. Oh my gosh.